Hi, I'm Cody with Enginetech.
And I will.
We're with the engineering team, and today we're going to cover engine kits. We have 3 levels of engine kits at Enginetech. We have the ReRing or ReMain, which is going to include your piston rings, rod bearings, main bearings, and a full set of gaskets. Additionally, we also have our rebuild or recondition kit, which is going to include all of those components in addition to your oil pump, timing set, freeze plugs, and cam bearings if necessary. Beyond that, we also have a master kit, which includes all of those components, plus cam and lifters.
With our ReRing kit, you need to determine what size bore that you're using, what size main bearings that you're going to need, and what size your rod journals are, and you can order these parts accordingly. And if you're unsure of the sizes that you need for your kits, you can always take it to a machine shop and they'll be more than happy to measure it for you and determine what's required for your engine or your application.
And what you see here is going to be a complete master kit, and this is going to include everything that we spoke about before. Additionally, it's going to have your cam and lifter, a full set of lifters and a cam. And so you've got basically everything you need to refresh your engine. In addition to these 3 levels of kits, each one of them could also potentially have a premium kit. And the only difference in that is going to be that it has premium rings rather than the cast rings. So that's just your top ring will have a premium coating around the facing of the ring, and that is the difference between a premium and a regular kit.